In this video, we want to understand why the area of a parallelogram is A equal B multiplied by H. A is the area, B is the base, H is the height. We want to prove this by splitting a parallelogram into two triangles, like for example from here to there or from here to there. We want to split it and then find the area. This is the height. Why this is the height? The height is perpendicular distant from the base to the opposite side. You can see here this is the base and here this is the height, because here we have 90 degrees angle. Or you can think you are sitting here and looking up, so this is the height and here this is the base. So from here to there is the base, and here from here to there is the height. And also, since the top and bottom here sides are parallel, so you can see here this side parallel to this side. If the height is perpendicular to the bottom, then it is also perpendicular to the top side. So we can draw a mark here, which shows that here there is 90 degrees angle. And of course here, this one, it is the base as well. Why? Because of course this here side equal to this side. So here is the base, and you can think as this the base and here the height, or this is the base and here is the height. Now, as we know, in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. This parallel to this parallel to this, and also they are equal. So this side equal to this side equal to this side by seeing this marks. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now, if we draw a diagonal from, for example, from this vertex to the opposite vertex, we can split this parallelogram into two triangles. But I don't want to do it here. I will copy it and paste it here. So just I copied this one and paste it here. Now let's delete this, just this. So I delete the formula here because we want to prove it by splitting this parallelogram into two triangles. Now, if we draw a diagonal, for example, from this vertex to this vertex, we split it into two triangles. So the parallelogram now is divided into two congruent triangles. Why they are congruent? Because opposite sides are equal, and also they share a diagonal. This equal to this equal to this, and they share this diagonal. Let's say here, this one is A1, the first triangle here, and this here, the area of this second triangle. Now, if we want to find the area, for example, for this triangle here, it's very easy. As we have said, this triangle congruent with this triangle, because this equal to this equal to this, and they share this diagonal. The area of the first triangle here, which is half, the formula of the area of a triangle is half BH. As we know, here is the B, which is this one, B, and the height, of course, this one. This is the height for this triangle. Why this is the height? Because it's the same as here. If we draw here a dot here line to there vertical, and if we extend this one like this, you will get 90 degrees, which is exactly the same as this one here. The length here is equal to the length here, so the height of this triangle is simply is this one. So we found the area of this one as B multiplied by H here, and of course multiplying by half. The area of the second triangle, which is this one here, is the same thing here. Half multiplied by the base here, B, multiplied by the height, exactly the same. From here to this one, like if we extend the same thing here, this one, and we extend vertically there, we get the length from here to there exactly the same as this one, which is h, and here the same thing here, h. So the height here of this triangle here, the height of this triangle is h. So half multiplied by b multiplied by the h, which is similar to here, h. Now, if we want to find the area of the whole parallelogram here, we can say A1 plus A2. A1, which is the triangle here, A2, which is the second triangle here. A1, which is half BH, and the second triangle, half B multiplied by H, half BH. And the answer will be half BH plus half BH, which is BH. So we found the area, which is BH. So exactly the same as this one here. Exactly the same as this one. Now let's take example. Let's say the base for this parallelogram is, let's say, 10 meters, and let's say the height is 4 meters. Can we find the area? Yes, of course. A equal B multiplied by height equal B, which is 10, H, which is 4, equal 10 multiplied by 4, which is 40 square meters. So we found the area of this parallelogram with given 10 meters, and here the height 4 meters is the area, which is 40 square meters. That's it. We found the area of a parallelogram by splitting it into two triangles, and the area of the two triangle, this one plus this one, is the area of a parallelogram. So remember, the area of a parallelogram, for example, like this one, needs the base and the perpendicular height similar to the area of a triangle, like these two. I hope this video helped you understand why the area of a parallelogram is A equal B multiplied by H, and how we got this formula in a simple and clear way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more math videos. And feel free to comment below with your questions or suggestions about this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.